uh, uh, ating Miss lang hapon sa inyo lahat, sa mga nanonood. Meron po tayong balita na magkakaroon ng malaki ang bagyo o malakas na bagyo na darating sa ating bansa. Narito kasama natin ang spokesperson po ng ating gobyerno. At narito po tayo ngayon upang tanungin ng ating spokesperson kung ano magiging plano nila sa ating bansa. Mr. Spokesperson, what is the plan at what is your plan to our country in this coming calamity? What is your plan, Mr. Spokesperson?
Plan is plan, tomato, banana, and many more.
Is that your plan, Mr.
Yes,
Spokesperson?
plan, tomato, banana, many more.
Oh, thank you very much. So, ayun daw po ang plan ng ating gobyerno. Sabi ni Mr. Spokesperson, they're going to plan eggplant, tomato, banana.